Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain how to send a message to another computer on the same network using the command prompt. This method allows you to display a message instantly on a remote computer without installing any third-party software, using only built-in Windows commands. This method is especially important for system and network administrators. It allows them to send instant notifications to users on the network and provide quick instructions without needing email or chat applications. Since it relies solely on built-in Windows tools, it's lightweight and fast. Okay, let's get started. To send any message to another computer on the same network, you need to know that computer's IP address, username, and password. This is the target computer. Open the command prompt window. Then enter the command ipconfig. This command displays the network settings for the computer. From the output, we specify the IP address, which is required to send a message to that computer. Although administrators usually know the IP addresses of their networks, this step is important to clarify that sending a message requires knowing the destination IP address or hostname. Also enter the command hostname, which will display the computer name. Windows allows us to send messages using either the IP address or the computer name, thus providing flexibility depending on the network environment. Now that you know the computer's address and name, I will explain how to send a message to that computer. Now, on your computer, open the command prompt to learn how to send a text message to any computer on the network. First, you must save your credentials using the cmdkey tool. So, enter the command that appears on the screen, replacing the IP address, username, and password, and I will leave the command in the video description. After entering the command, press Enter and wait until the credentials are successfully saved and added. This step is necessary for the Windows system to authenticate before sending the message. After that, enter the command cmdkey/list to ensure that the credentials have been added successfully, as this command displays all the credentials saved on the system. After this step, we can send the message using the command msg/server. Enter the command displayed on the screen, replacing the IP address with the message you want to send to the computer, and press Enter. The message should now appear immediately on the target computer. Open the computer, and you will find that the message has indeed arrived with the text you entered. Let's try another message. Enter the same command, changing the message text as a test, and press Enter. Open the target computer. Yes, the message has indeed arrived successfully. Now let's learn how to send the message using the hostname. I will add the hostname instead of the IP address. Add the hostname credentials using the command displayed on your screen. This is the same command we use to store the credentials, but I will enter the hostname instead of the IP address and press the Enter key. After successfully adding the credentials using the hostname, enter the send command displayed on your screen. This is the same command as before, but instead of the IP address, we entered the hostname and press Enter. Using the hostname can be very useful in environments where IP addresses change frequently. Now the message should have been sent successfully. Open the target computer. It should have been sent successfully. This method is simple, fast, and very effective. It's a powerful tool for administrators who need to communicate with users instantly without relying on email or external applications. And it works using Windows commands. If you liked this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.